Hello, amazing traders, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. I'll be quickly random the market recap on good analysis on daily and 4 hour and 1 hour time frame. Without further ado, let's quickly go to what is happening in gold right now. Yesterday, I quickly do a basic market structure when gold was around this place of 2,664 hands. And as at that time, it looks like a joke. As at that time, it looks like maybe market is still about to reverse back because I remember vividly that gold was around 2,657 ounce when I came in to explain the basic market structure and how to catch big moves. To those who are still in the trade, I congratulate you guys. It means that you're actually following me and you are listening to my market analysis. Congratulations to you. To those who have not, please click the link button. Subscribe to this channel, share with friends and family on your notifications so that next time when I do market analysis, you can follow it and catch one or two pips. So to those who have done that, I celebrate you guys. Now back to this market structure. You can easily see now right now that gold is at the exact place where we predict it to be, which is we are predicting that gold want to form head and shoulder chart patterns. And right now, gold is at 2,686 ounce, which is exactly the same place we are predicting. So if we go to daily time frame, we can easily see that pure price action still effective because when there was a breakout in this place and they not only watch the previous analysis I did, go and watch the previous analysis that I did. This is exactly how I predicted the movement of gold, that gold usually respect Fibonacci key level. And right now, we are at 0.618 Fibonacci key level. But in order for us to understand that if market will respond to this key level or not, we don't know yet, but the probability is extremely high because this right now, this is 0.618 of Fibonacci key level. Market is already there. So the next thing we'll be expecting now is market reaction to that key level, because market do not just move alone. Market have to react. That is power of price action for you guys. Price action is the ability to read the entire chart. Price action is the ability to read chart without indicator, the ability to understand the naked chart through the past history that has happened before. And right now, we are anticipating that gold is about to drop one more time, because what happened was that gold is already selling. There was a massive breakout. To those who have not watched, like I did a video on that. That should be last week's video of how gold will break out of this key zone. And there was a massive breakout from this key zone somewhere around here. There was a massive breakout. There was a retest here, pullback. Then there was a pullback, gold drop. And there was a pullback again before the market dropped to this key level. So, and what do? How was I able to understand that when market broke this key level, it's not a fake out? Because let me tell you something. When gold wants to move, it moves. And when market moves, market is a little bit market is a little bit predictive in 4 hour and daily time frame than 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes candle or time frame. Because when market, it is only the big boys that comes to 1 hour, 4 hours and daily candle or daily buyers to come and trade. All the indicators traders, all the small boys traders, all those who want to make quick money in the market, they will go to 3 minutes, 15 minutes. And there's a lot of buyers on those places. There is a lot of massive atrocities. There's a lot of fake outs. Imagine what somebody that is already trading in 15 minutes will experience in this place, because they will think the market is already consolidating. So the seller are in the market, or market is not buying again, not knowing that market will still moves. But for our time frame, we know as a Fibonacci trader, immediately I've already plotted my Fibonacci key level. I was able to spot it like this market still has potential. And if it has potential, then we have to wait, because waiting is part of the game. So right now, to those who watch this channel, when I predict the move yesterday, yes, congratulations to you guys. like I said, how many pips in total? Let me quickly calculate the pips in total. Right now, the total pips that whoever enter this trade from this first yellow key zone graph made now is 707 pips. Imagine that. That is power of pure price action without indicator. Just Fibonacci indicator is the only thing that was using in this thing. And you can easily see this is 707 pips raw price action without stress. That is the power of pure price action with psychology, cookie levels, with trend line. So we can easily see now this is the breakout now, and what I'm expecting market to do around there, as I said yesterday, is market now this 4 hour that is loading now, and the next 4 hour will be a determinant factor whether this 0.61 it will hold or it will not. So what do we need to do now is to now understand, be patient and disciplined. And we can easily see here right now this 0.61 hit, and this candlestick, this is 1 hour time frame. Market is already reacting to this key level. Market is already reacting. So I'll be expecting something like this since market is already reacting to this key level. So I'll be expecting market can do some fake out. Me, I will not enter there. What I'm expecting market to come and do is to break this trend line and to this support level, retest. Then immediately it retest, then I'm going to short. And this is key level. This key level is profit 1 and take profit 2. And we can see we will still be more, but in order not to be greedy, just take your own profit and leave the market alone. And how many pips are we expecting gold to drop again? How many pips are we expecting gold to drop based on this pure price action reading and candlestick psychology cookie level? We're expecting gold to, if somebody short gold around here, the person will be able to catch profit 1, that will be 751 pips. While another person will catch, if you catch gold somewhere around here with minimal lot size, this is 4250 pips stop loss, that will be 1017 pips. Imagine that. Imagine you are able to short this gold one more time and you are able to catch 1017 pips. That is pure power of pure price action without indicator. But it takes time. It takes time. You might be wondering, how was I able to figure this thing out, that I was able to predict the movement of the market here? Because I have been studying this market for the past 3.5-4 years as a trader. Spend average of 10 hours every day understanding how market moves, trying to grind myself, because when you stay with the market and you are honest with it, market has a way of speaking to you, because you will make a lot of mistakes. You will experience a lot of headache, a lot of regret, because market has a way of showing yourself to you. That is the blunt truth about market. But if you can understand, if you can stay with it long enough, market will speak to you. And when market speaks to you, you begin to understand the ways of the market. And you can easily see in 1 hour right now, this is serious selling pressure is already happening. If you are watching this right now, then this key level here is a nice place to, perfect place to enter. And why am I saying this key level here is so simple? This is good. Our market is a volatile market. Now, this key level here is 0.05. So which means that market has been doing higher, low, higher, low. So if market was able to break this key level here, then instead of higher low, it will now be lower low. So which means that once market break this key level, this structure has been disrupted. Because if this structure will hold, market is supposed to come here and pull up. But as long as this structure is being breaking and retest, so once it turns this support level to resistance, then that is all we need. And you can easily see simple No stress, nothing. Just proper price action reading, raw price action reading. And what are the things that I was able to use to read this market? It's so simple. Pure price action reading, psychological level, Fibonacci, trend lines, and a lot of experience. And that is what price action is all about. So, which means that if anybody, so you don't need a signal, you don't need indicator, you don't need somebody, just follow this channel, subscribe. Once you follow whatever you read here, quickly go back to your market and to go and analyze and find out. So that is what I have for us this morning. And we can easily see right now that in 1 hour time frame, market is already responding, is already reacting to this key level of 0.618. But right now, we don't know what market is doing. But as long as market break this key level and retest, turn this support level to resistance, it means that the seller are now in the market fully. And that is what happened. So by today's close of the market, today is already Friday. I believe market will close today. Then I will do complete market recap of what actually happened between Monday and Friday, which is today. So that is all I have on good analysis. And you can easily see that this is pure price action reading. No stress, everything clean, no indicator, nothing. So you don't need to go and buy a course when you have this channel. So just watch, go and practice. And like I used to say, drop your comments below, subscribe. This is what you need. You need to learn. So no hide, nothing. So this is exactly what we are seeing right now. Now, this is the previous shoulder, and this is the right shoulder. But we will see, like I said, when market want to reverse, there will be a what? Clusters of candle. There will be market reactions and clusters of candle in that key level. So let's go to 15-minute time frame. Yes, you can easily see what is happening in 15 minutes right now. You can see that this is massive doji candle. Yes, this is shooting star. If you don't know shooting star, this is shooting star. And you can easily see that this is 15-minute market. So to those who do sniper entry, they will quickly enter here. But for now, to play it safe, I will not enter here because market can decide to empty these guys back and be going up. But if you can enter around this key level, because what happened here was that there was this clusters of candle when market reached this key level. There was a clusters of candle which formed W pattern before market. There was a clusters of candle here that formed W pattern before market begins to rise. So which means that if market can come back to that key level again, market was forming a clusters of candle here. You can see here, market pull up, then pull down, pull up, pull down, then test the neckline again before buying to this key level. So if market can now come back to this key level, do something like this, come back again and turn this support to resistance, then that is massive perfect entry. Like I said yesterday, it's not about catching the market. It's about entering the market at the right space where your profit, your stop loss will be safe. Yes, you will hit stop loss, but hit a reasonable stop loss. Don't just enter market and market takes your stop loss from you. Yes, you will not win every time. But when you lose, know why you lose so that you'll be able to keep your journal, open your journal and examine yourself that why did I lose? What happened? What do I do wrong? How can I make it right? What are the things I'm supposed to be doing? What are the things I'm not supposed to be doing? And that is what you need. So you don't need much in the market because when you understand your mistakes in the market, you can correct it. But if you don't understand why you are making mistakes in the market, it means that you are gambling or you don't have enough knowledge. And if you don't have enough knowledge, that one is okay. Nobody knows it all. We all started somewhere. And that is why you're on this channel this morning to watch what actually happened and what market is doing right now. So I congratulate you once again. If you haven't subscribed, click the link below, share on your notification for further and future market analysis. So if you want to know more, subscribe on your notification. Click the link below. So till I see you one more time. So after this market finished, we'll be able to come back in the evening to come and do pure full price action of what actually happens in the market, how market was able to move. So that is all I have for us this morning. Till I come your way again next time, thank you for watching and be safe.